Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to set external webcam as a default camera for your Windows 11 for all apps like Google Meet, Zoom meeting, or your default camera app available in your Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So as you can see guys, I have one external webcam. So when I connect it to my PC or laptop, so after connecting guys, when I am trying to access my external webcam in every app guys, by default it will show only this camera, built-in camera application, as you can see guys. But I want to set this external webcam as a default. To do this guys, close your application on your Windows PC. You need to open the device manager. In the device manager, extend camera, right click on your built-in camera, and then simply you need to disable the device. Okay, like this. You can close the device manager. So now guys, when you open any application to access your camera, so it will by default use your external webcam only, as you can see guys. Okay, by default it will automatically select. In case still the camera is not accessing your external webcam, at that time here in the app settings you can get to switch between external and internal webcam. Every application has the built-in setting to change the webcam. Okay, so after disabling built-in webcam guys, it will automatically detect only external webcam guys. In case if you want to use back your built-in camera, just simply open the device manager, right click on your application, and simply you need to enable the device. That's it. So this is the easy and very simple method to use your external webcam as a default camera for your all apps in Windows 11 PC or in laptop. So that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.